I've lived here all of my life. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, no, there's always something to do. We like to be busy around here. It's more of a way of life than it is a job. I love all the knives that we've come up with for ABASK. Yeah, you guys have spoken back and forth with me, and I really like the sort of range that we come up with. I feel like there's sort of everything you need for the kitchen. But it's nice to see more people sort of getting back to making things by hand, rediscovering sort of some of the old skills which were like lost. People have been layering steel for thousands of years, like the Japanese famously, but also the Vikings. For the Damascus knife, sort of always starts the same. You get two different types of steel. I layer them up, and then from there I start to contort the steel to form the patterns.